Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Note 12, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you're gonna hold power key. From there we're gonna hold power off to just simply turn off our device. And once it's off, you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see the phone turn on with an INFINIX logo, which should be just any moment now, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. Next thing you will see is this XOS with no command. So you want to hold power key, press volume up once, and this will redirect you to recovery mode. Now in here you will need to utilize volume keys up and down to navigate respectively of the key, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader and enter fastboot mode to obviously take us to the respective mode. We have apply updates from ADB or actually SD card, and no ADB, so my bad. We have wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, reboot system now, confirm that, and like I said, this will just take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in our Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.